Hello guys, nice to meet you all here again. And yes, today I will bring you a good topic for you to learn. And that topic it might be new for you, but actually it's not new, but you just don't know about it. Um, so before we begin, what did we learn from last video? Wait, even me, I forgot. Oh yes, about how to save picture from Instagram, right? Yeah, I think you are master of it already by now. All right, now we're going to master a new topic. All right, so today we will learn together how to do screen recording using not software, not any application, but using PowerPoint. Yes, we can use PowerPoint to do screen recording. Okay, now let's get started. You can go to PowerPoint. Yes, go to PowerPoint and then go to insert area. This thing. After that, you go scroll all the way to the end, and then you will see here screen recording. As you can see, screen recording. Yes, maybe some of you may not know. We have this screen recording also. Yeah, it's there for you actually. Okay, so screen recording, you can do screen recording and then it will record all the screen, the area that you want to do screencast. And then we can hear the voice also, right? Yes, we can hear the voice. So select screen recording and then you have to go to the area that you want to show to the audience. Now let's go to Power. Because I will use the PowerPoint to do my teaching. This is just the example actually, it's not the real teaching actually. Yes, so I want to show you or I want to teach. So I will screencast this whole area. And also you can screencast any other areas such as no, anywhere you can do that. You can do that, but I will use this area. All right, so in order to do that, you have to go to select area and then I want to show everything. Yes, the whole here, the laptop area. All right. And to do that, and after that, you can go to record now. The next step is to go to the record, the red here, the red circle for recording. Yes, once it is recorded, yeah, the voice, the screen will be recorded as well. All right, now can you click on this area? 3, 2, 1. All right, now it is recording actually. Yeah, since I choose the hold. Oh, sorry. Since I choose the hold area, the hold laptop, it even record my face here actually. So the difference from for screen recording is that it only do the screen recording. It's not the face recording as a screencast-o-matic here. So for those of you who are thinking about doing screen recording, you don't have to go like to think of, oh, I have to use good application. I have to download many applications to do um for the good video, something like that. But however, you can use PowerPoint to do screen recording as well. Yes, so it record all the voice. So what I'm speaking now is it's being recorded. Mm-hmm. Yeah, for example, just for example, okay, for example, I want to teach. Okay, this is just a practice now. I want to teach. Okay, welcome to my classroom. Today, guys, we will learn Khmer phrases. Okay, we will learn Khmer phrases all together. So Cambodian means Cambodian. You know Cambodian, you know Khmer means it's a language. Okay, learning Khmer language phrases. So we learned 2 phrases today, but before we go to those phrases, we have to learn vocabulary, right? Jojet. Jojet is to like. Pyom is I, and net is you. So I and you is a personal pronoun, a personal pronouns. Pyom I, net you. Nham is to eat. Yes, nham is to eat. So to combine all these words together, we create some sentences. For example, okay, now I want to say want to learn a sentence says I like you. Okay, I Kyom Kyom is I, right? I Georgette is like, and net is you. Kyom Georgette net. It's very easy. Kyom Georgette net. It's easy, no? I like you, which is it's almost the same sentence structure as in English, in some ways, just in some ways only. Kyom Georgette net. Okay, I hope you mastered this phrase already. Now the next phrase, kyom jo jet nyam. The same, right? Kyom jo jet, kyom jo jet, kyom jo jet nyam. But this time we add the another verb because like I like to eat. I like to eat. So it's not like so hard as in English, like to. We have to use this to eat also an infinitive. But in English, in Khmer, we only have one. We have just one verb. Nhằm. We don't have to nhằm, no, we don't have this kind of thing. So yes, Pyong, I like cho chết nhằm. Pyong cho chết nhằm. Yeah. All right. This is just the way to show you how that we doing screen recording. All right. Now let's go in back. All right. Now we finished the video. Finished the teaching. This just a sample to show you. All right. Now to save the video, to save the screen recording, you go to the up here and then it will slide down for you. Okay, now pause here, right? Okay, now I want to pause the video. I want to stop the video already. Just stop the screen recording video. So you go ahead and click on this one. And then if you want to play the video here, click on this video. Yes, and there you go. It pops the recorded video that I recorded just now. All right, to play that, you click on this display button. All right, do you hear my voice? It's not really. All right, now you finish, you're done with it, right? It's very easy, right? It's very convenient for you. You don't have to download many good software just to do screen recording. You can just use PowerPoint. All right, so now stop the video, and then there's another step. You save. So you save. So you right click on this video, right click on the video, and then you save media as. Okay, you save media as. Oh, okay, I will save on desktop. Yes, so media 2. I did media 1 already. So save. Yeah, save. Click on save. And then so check that video, you go to the file, and what I saved now is in desktop. Yes, here, media 2. There, you got the video, the presentation video. Okay, you see now. All right, this is all for today. I hope this video really helps you and you will use it in the future. Bye bye.